Well, good evening, folks. I thought it'd be a good idea just to do a very quick update on the trade positions that I've got on and that my private group have got on, I suppose, some of them, or at least the trades they're taking. So let's go through them very quickly into the weekend so you'll know where I stand. I'm not going to go into a lot of technical detail here, but let's start with natural gas. Those are our trade entries. So the last three trades we went long at the green arrow, we got out at the top, and we're long from the bottom again from today. So that's looking quite good. A nice spike low there, holding above the 100-period moving average and this big support block that we're in right now. If we have a look at that on the day chart, you can see we've just kissed and bounced off the 20-period moving average on the day chart, and we've just fallen back down to the breakout area, which is perfect. That's where you'd expect to find some support. That's where we've found a little bit, not a lot, but it's starting, hopefully. And we'll see how we go into the weekend. Maybe we'll get a weekend gap up. Right, and without expanding all the other ones, we're short on WTI from the red arrow. Nothing has actually changed in the last couple of weeks, so we're still short there. Nothing on Brent. We've got a long position on URA, and that's just come off a bit today, so we're back to more or less where we got into this trade, but that's okay. Bitcoin, I've actually just gone short at Bitcoin, quite near the top here. And well, let's see how we go. It's a very small position, tiny position, only 15%. We have nothing on Coinbase, although that seems to be topping as well. The US 10-year hasn't moved anywhere today, and the VIX just sticking up a bit. Gold continues to move up. We've had about 20 green days in a row now, which is kind of ridiculous. But I put up a tweet on X and I did a short video on YouTube. Go and check that out. I think we might reach to the top of this channel, which should take us right up here to above 2200. And in the video and the tweet, you'll see how I've used fractals to arrive at that sort of target. Go and check that out. Actually, I'll put a link to that video at the end of this one. Right, now stocks. Again, I'm not going to do a technical analysis. I'm just going to inform you of the positions that we have going into the weekend. So we're short on NASDAQ from the circle. We're short on NVDA. We're long on Apple, funnily enough. So we're short on one, we're long on the other, but that's okay. We're long on Tesla. That's looking a little weak. These are sort of hedges. The Apple and the Tesla trades are hedges against the short NVIDIA. As it turns out, they might not be necessary because NVIDIA is falling sharply, but Apple's not falling, that's good, and Tesla's fallen a little bit. So actually overall this hedge is working out quite well so far. I'll be looking to short AMD next week, possibly add to my short NVIDIA trade, and maybe even look to short the SPX. So here's currencies quickly. On the pound, we got in long near this 50-period moving average and got out today, so that one's done with. And then our shorts on the dollar yen, the Swiss yen, and the euro yen all went into excellent profit today. We've taken 80% of the profit on those trades and we're holding the rest, looking to sell more into rallies. The targets for these are quite low down. And we have the Bank of Japan potentially increasing their central bank lending rate later this month. Well, as you can hear, I'm getting a little hoarse now. It's late on Friday, so have a great weekend. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you like this sort of stuff, click the subscribe and the join button below if you'd like to do that. Take care.